Hiya, gorgeous people. How are you today? I hope you look good and excellent. Meet me again in my food channel, FoodComa by MissBlackRose. Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make bounty with orange and cranberry. If you like the video, please kindly hit the like button, subscribe and comment, and let's make this snack together. I'm gonna tell you a little bit story about this bounty snack. The first time I encountered this snack is back in London 17 years ago. When the first time I had it, I really fell in love and I just couldn't get over it. And then back to my home country, I couldn't find it to see, so well I tried to make it myself and it turned out to become my favorite snacks. So I'm going to share to you how to make it, and it's really easy and everybody can do it and it's absolutely fabulous. You're gonna like it, guys. So okay, let's make it together. Right everyone, so I'm gonna show you what's the ingredients for the bounty coconut with orange and cranberry. Right, first of all, this is desiccated coconut. Have a look, okay? This is chocolate and coconut oil, candied orange, honey, or you can change it with the maple syrups, and dried cranberry and vanilla. So all ingredients it will be together later except this chocolate, because we're gonna melt the chocolate and then we're gonna use it later. Okay, so let's make it together. Right, we put everything together except this chocolate. Try to blend everything with this regular blender, but turned out it's not really a good idea. So I'm gonna change it with a food processor instead. I'm gonna put everything here and try to blend with a food processor. Okay. Right, I'm just gonna blend it. These all ingredients. It's not gonna be take long because you just for mix it up or something like that, right? Okay, so maybe just I don't know, 50 seconds. Done. It's turned out a lot better in a food processor. Okay, so don't use the regular blender. I just want to show you, that this doesn't work. Right. Okay. Right now it's done. I'm gonna put it in here. Candied orange. You don't put it while we mixing the food processor, because I don't want that rush. So this is done. So what I'm gonna do is to put in here. One. This is all ready. Then we're gonna put inside the fridge. While this is in the fridge, we're gonna melt it with chocolate, because we're gonna coating this later on inside the chocolate melted. Okay, let's see. Now we're going to melt the chocolate with water underneath this and chocolate here, and it will be melted quite soon. And you have to keep stirring. Right now it's starting melted. That you stir it a bit. When it's melted, all melted, then it's done. Really easy. Right everyone, after 1 hour this coconut mixture in the fridge, so we take it out and we're gonna coating with the melted chocolate, the one that we melted before. And then after that, this is up to you. If you want to add this additional chocolate on top of it, or if you don't, that's okay, no problem. Okay, I'm just gonna experiment with this, so it's like sort of like a double chocolate. Okay, what we're gonna do is take it out, everything up, like this. You see? Out. Right. So you're doing everything until finish. Right now, it's done already. Now we're gonna coat it with the melted chocolate. Right. So what we're gonna do is just we can just use this actually. Right here. So what we do, just put it in here. There. Well, everyone, this is finally done. Well, actually, I'm gonna let you know that when you done the coating from the chocolate melted, and then just don't put it in here. I made a mistake. I don't know what I'm thinking, what I'm using here, which is totally disaster. Well, you know what, actually when you're coating the coconut mix, you just put right away in this, in this plate. It's not plate, I don't know what it is in English, but then you use the baking paper. Then after that, you put back again in the fridge, I don't know, about 15-20 minutes, then it's gonna be hardened, then it's ready to eat. Okay, just don't use these bloody things. Sorry about that, I shoot my friends. Right everyone, so this is finally done, and then this is salted already and ready to eat, but I'm just gonna put it in here. I'm gonna take a picture of it. So, okay, here. It's ready to dip, yeah? Right, here, this is Bounty with a candied orange and cranberry. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna try to eat it. So right everyone, the Bounty is done already, so I'm gonna try to have a bite, and let's see. Absolutely gorgeous. You can feel the cranberries and the candied orange in it. Oh, by the way, you have to put it in the fridge because we don't have any preservative, and then keep it with cold. It's a lot better. Right, so it is just gorgeous, Your kid, yourself, and your mates gonna be really love it. Right, so everyone, you can make this really easy one, and let me know if you've done it. Okay, bye.